I've got to get it started in 3D right here. And let's go ahead and look at our license dialog. Okay, so Joe, I believe I closed that dialog in Teams for that license code. Could you?
I just texted you on Teams.
Okay, hold on a second. Looks like I closed my Teams. Could you text me that again?
Yeah, you can type it in if you want.
Okay, that'll work. That'll work.
NFR, capital NFR, underscore 3629, underscore example, underscore customer.
Example?
Uh-huh.
All caps?
All caps.
Underscore what?
Customer.
Customer. Caps?
Yes, sir. So what Don is doing is typing in the license code. We'll highly recommend not doing that. The license code will be sent to you by email. So just copy paste that.
Yeah.
I guess it's okay. Go ahead, Don.
Okay, so let's just register this. Now let's talk about this dialog here while it's up. If you're going to run it initially and it's not licensed yet, you obviously have a register button. You copy and paste your activation code here. Go ahead and register the product. Also, if you don't have an activation code, the program will come up in demo mode just like we showed you. And if you run the license dialog, you can actually request your activation code. Let's go ahead and do that if you happen to need to request it. So it'll load up your browser, and I'll take you to a form on MecSoft.com where you can fill it out and request your activation codes. And you'll receive those in an email. So that's any emails that you receive from us, do make sure that you keep them in a safe place and so that you can refer back to them. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and register it. So it's successful registration. We'll pick OK. So now we have access to